Okay, the ingredient you need for tea are 2 cups of water, 2 cups of milk. You need fennel, around 1.5 tablespoon of fennel, cardamom, around 10 to 15 cardamom, clove, around 10 to 15 clove. You need sugar, you need tea leaves, and you need condensed milk. Okay, let's start now. You need 2 cups of water. We have to wait until the water is boiled. Once the water has boiled, you can put the spices. Two spoons full of tea leaves. 1, 2. And let it boil for 5 minutes. You pour in the tea, the milk. 1 cup, 2 cups of milk. After that, you put in 2 spoons full of condensed milk. 3 spoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. And let the tea boil. Once it's boiled, that means the tea is done. The tea have boiled. Now we sieve the tea. Here's the cup of tea. Ready, 1 cup of tea.